dark eye circles are not dangerous, many people seek ways to treat or hide them. However, it may not be possible to remove them altogether. Some people may think that dark circles under their eyes make them look tired and older. How to remove dark eye circles? Once a person understands why dark circles develop under their eyes, they can select an appropriate treatment. Some people change their lifestyle habits, while others turn to treatments and products that they find in beauty stores. While these are likely safe, most of these home treatments may be ineffective. People may not be able to remove dark eye circles altogether, but several techniques and remedies can help minimize their appearance. 1. Getting adequate sleep. Some people notice dark eye circles when they experience periods of low-quality sleep. Lack of sleep may aggravate dark eye circles. Studies have shown that rest and good general health lessens the dark of eye circles. 2. Elevating the head during sleep. People who experience darkening of the skin under their eyes in the morning that fades slightly throughout the day may have increased blood vessels or vasculature around their eyes. The darker color can also be the result of swelling. By elevating the head during sleep, blood will travel away from the head and face and may reduce swelling and lessen the dark color under the eyes. 3. Applying cold compresses. People with increased vasculature under their eyes may benefit from applying cold compresses. Cold compresses can constrict the blood vessels around the eyes, which can reduce their appearance at the skin's surface. Compresses can also reduce swelling around the eyes and lessen the dark color. 4. Minimizing sun exposure. People can reduce dark eye circles by protecting their skin from the sun. Ultraviolet radiation can worsen dark eye circles in some people. Protection with sunglasses, moisturizers with sunscreens, and hats can protect the skin from the sun and prevent worsening of dark eye circles. 5. Cucumber slices and tea bags. People apply cucumber slices to their eyes to reduce the appearance of dark eye circles. Although the mechanism of its effect is unknown, the cold temperature of the cucumber slices may improve swelling due to sleeping, eczema, or allergies. Some people also use tea bags. Letting them cool off in the fridge and then placing them on the eyes might produce the same effect as cold compresses or cold cucumber slices. Some suggest using caffeinated tea bags because caffeine can also constrict blood vessels and reduce their appearance on the skin surface. Caffeine can also speed up blood flow across blood vessels around the eyes and can give a youthful and fresh appearance to the skin. It is important to note that researchers have not studied the effects of applying cucumber slices or cold tea bags to the eyes to prevent or treat dark eye circles. 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C can increase collagen production. Increasing collagen production under the eyes can reduce blood stasis, which may cause discoloration. Blood stasis refers to blood that pools in blood vessels. People may notice an improved appearance of dark circles under their eyes when using beauty products with high concentrations of vitamin C. Dark eye circles are a common reason people consult a dermatologist. Some people may not like the appearance of dark circles under their eyes and experience low self-esteem and reduced quality of life as a result, but it is important to remember that they are harmless. Several medical treatments and home remedies can help reduce the appearance of dark eye circles. These may include cucumber slices and beauty products. Although most of these treatments are safe to use, researchers have not confirmed their effectiveness in reducing dark eye circles.